Hello, this is Victoria Wynn. I just wanted to show you a little trick. In this case, I'm using Luxe Water Effects in clear. Same trick works no matter if you're using clear or shimmer. This is an acrylic pour that had just Floetrol and acrylic paint. And it's got some nice lacing there. What I want to show you is how to make 3D droplets. Now imagine you can add them to ocean waves. So that little drop will stay just like that with the Luxe Water Effects. This is one of the things the elements of it that I'm so excited about. And they will dry clear. You can make water droplets like on waves, let's say, on your acrylic pours. I have painted a flower and made little water droplets like dewdrops on the leaves. And they will truly stay in this little bubble-like form. The trick is to not have your Luxe Water Effects warm. When it's on the cooler side, it comes out thicker and you get these beautiful droplets. And let's see, how can I show you something? I want to show you one other neat little technique. So those will dry totally clear and they're going to stay in that droplet form. So neat, huh? They even magnify the paint underneath just like water does. So that's why I named it Water Effects. It does all this fun stuff. So let me show you a little trick. You can take the tip of your bottle. Of course, you can cut it and make the tip work for you in a different way. But for this little experiment, I just want to show you that you can draw silhouettes straight with the bottle. So I'm just going to make a little flower. So imagine all the things that you can do, especially against like a matte piece of art. Then this will dry clear and you'll just have this shine. So, gosh, there's so many things you could do. I've done a lot of fun things. You could, let's say maybe you want to draw fish in your water and have it look very subtle. So we're gonna draw this little fish here and you're just gonna fill it in. It's so fun. He's almost looking like a little dolphin. Yeah. Well, he's supposed to be a fish. Anyways, so he's gonna dry, there's his little fins over here. He'll dry clear and you're just gonna have your silhouette of this, in this case, a little fish. There we go. Oh, I just made him look like a shark. All right, I am seriously getting distracted. I just decided he's gonna be a shark. All right, so we've got our shark in our flower infested water, but you get the point that you can use this to draw. You can create water droplets like that. And again, they're just gonna stay like that. These water droplets will be done in, gosh, probably just a few hours. I still tell people 24 hours, but trust me, I touch it all the time after like 3-4 hours. And when I'm just doing water droplets, not necessarily like some big flood coat, you know, like that. But things like this, shapes and water droplets dry really fast. So the sky is the limit.